Hey guys, ready to turn your everyday tech from meh to mind blown? Today we're unboxing 5 Amazon gadgets you'll wish you bought sooner, perfect for travelers, content creators, and anyone who loves smart tech. Let's jump in. First up, this Pro Lens Kit by Xenvo. If your phone camera feels basic, this is your upgrade. The 0.45x wide angle is perfect for vloggers and travelers, fit entire landscapes or your squad in one shot. And the 15x macro lens? Look at this! Zooms into a coffee bean's texture. Plus, the LED glow clip beats your phone's harsh flash. Works on iPhones, Androids, even your laptop for Zoom calls. For $40? No brainer. Summer's here, and this portable neck fan is a lifesaver. Bladeless, safe for kids. 360 airflow. Cools your face, neck, even your coffee. It's quieter than a library, seriously. 20 decibels, and the 4,000 milliamp hours battery lasts through a full workday. Great for hikes, gym sessions, or surviving your kid's soccer game. And at $32, cheaper than iced lattes all week. Want a room that vibes like a TikTok trend? Govee's 100 feet LED strips are IT. Sync them to music, set mood lighting for movie night, or go full Stranger Things with 16 million colors. The app's DIY modes let you get creative perfect for parties or late night work sessions. Pro tip, use code GO30 to slash $30 off. You're welcome. This $44 foldable drone is the ultimate toy for adults. Shoot 1080p footage of your road trips, use gesture controls for hands-free selfies, or draw a flight path on the app. It'll follow like a puppy. The altitude hold keeps it steady, and propeller guards save it for my dog's curiosity. Comes with a case and 2 batteries, ideal for beginners. End your day with this Jellyfish lamp ASMR meets tech. The 16 colors and floating jellyfish are weirdly hypnotic, and the 20W Bluetooth speaker jams better than your Echo. Kids love it, but it's also a therapy hack for stress or ADHD. Gifted for birthdays, dorm rooms, or just to flex on date night. So which gadget are you grabbing first? Drop a comment. Smash like if you're obsessed, and subscribe for more genius finds. All links plus coupons are below. Go treat yourself.